Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol IGC. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I've done this analysis several times in the past. That's where all the red and green line annotations are coming from. And now I want to kind of just get things updated here as we have another week in the books. First thing though, a lot of house cleaning I'm going to do and just get rid of these lines down here. Sure, these levels still pertain. They're just not really relevant right now. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing confusion because there's lines everywhere you look. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. Newest update though that needs to be done comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So $2.60 was that area of resistance going into today, but now that the price is up above it, that would be the ideal level of support that you want to see hold strong. If the price does drop below 260, not the end of the world or anything like that. You still have the purple line down there, that 50 period moving average, and then those other areas of support. But like I said, as of right now, given that the price isn't even close to breaking down below 260, I don't want to just clutter things up with so many lines all over the place. Now let's look at the other side of the coin, and that is, okay, well, where are some of these areas of resistance at? And once again, update's not really the right word, but definitely confirmation that right up around $3 is indeed a level of resistance. I promise I've not moved that red line from the previous videos I've done, but I mean, smack dab right at that level is where the price got rejected from, which isn't very shocking. I mean, you go back in the history of things and you can see that in the past that, the price has struggled right up around that area. So not exactly shocking at all, once again, to see it struggle right there. Now, am I saying that $3 can't be broken? I'm not saying that. I'm just saying that apparently, according to the story of the chart, that is being told to us, the price is really going to need to bring its A game if it's going to be able to break above $3 and stay up above it. In the event it can, though, I do want to get the next level of overall resistance mapped out, and that is up there at $3.30. All in all, though, great looking chart, and as long as the price keeps on doing this right here, which is building those higher bases, or if you want to picture those as stair steps, that's the name of the game. That's what you want to see. So just focus on those healthy consolidations and let the trend continue to do its thing. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.